Kamusta mga balibulista? Tinalo ng Petrogas Angels ang Capital One Solar Spikers 25-11, 25-19, 25-14. Best player of the game si Brock Van Sickle sa likod ng kanyang 19 points mula sa 15 attacks, 1 block, 3 aces. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Panalo naman ng Chiritigo crossovers kontra sa NLEX-led Chameleons 23-25, 25-23, 25-16, 25-20. Best player of the game si Alina Vicar matapos nagtala ng 17 excellent sets at 13 excellent digs. Pinataob naman ng Creamline Call Smashers ang Signal HD Spikers 26-28, 22-25, 25-22, 25-21, 16-14. Best player of the game si Tots Carlos matapos humakot ng 38 points mula sa 35 attacks at 3 blocks. Heto ang mga laro ngayong April 2, 2024 na gaganapin sa Phil Sports Arena. Sa first game, magharap ang Akari Chargers at PLDT High Speed Hitters alas 4 ng hapon. Sa main game, magtutos ang Galleries Tower High Racers at Chocomocho Flying Titans alas 6 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings as of March 26, 2024. Creamline Call Smashers 6 wins 1 loss. Chocomocho Flying Titans 5 wins 1 loss. PLDT High Speed Hitters 5 wins 1 loss. Petrogas Angels 5 wins 2 losses. Chiritigo Crossovers 5 wins 2 losses. Signal HD Spikers 4 wins 2 losses. Akari Chargers 2 wins 4 losses. Farm Fresh 2 wins 4 losses. Galleries Tower High Racers 2 wins 4 losses. NLEX-led Chameleons 1 win 5 losses. Capital One Solar Spikers 1 win 6 losses. Strong Group Athletics 0 win 6 losses.